All right, we are working on doubles and near doubles. Number 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 5. I would like you to listen to me do the example and then have you try those problems on your own, okay? And then you can come back and any evidence that I have on my paper, you can add to your paper if you didn't have it. Because when we're big first graders, and when we get to second grade, they're going to ask you for all of the evidence in your work, okay? Example, 3 blue cars and 4 red cars. How many cars in all? 3 and 4 are numbers that are next to each other on the number line. That means that they are near numbers, okay? So when I see 3 and 4, I can see that they are close, right? So I could either add 3 plus 3 and add 1 more to get the next number, or I could do 4 plus 4 and take away a number, okay? I like to add. I think it makes more sense to me in my brain. But if you like to challenge yourself, you can do the greater number, which is 4 plus 4, and take away 1. So here it says 3 plus 3. Here we can see that there's 3. That's my first add-in, 3. And here it says 3 and 1. So I can circle 3, and I can circle 1 more there. And I get a total of 7. So 3 and 4 equals 7. There are 7 cars in all. Okay, here's your chance to try it by yourself. Number 1, 4 dogs and 5 cats. There's my joining word, and. Right? How many pets in all? Okay, that means we're putting those 2 parts together to create the total. Remember, you could do 4 plus 4 and add 1 more, or you could do 5 plus 5 and take 1 away, okay? Because 4 and 5 are near numbers. So here they have 4 and 4 and 1 more. So you can see that there's a group of 4, there's a group of 4 and 1, just like this equation says. But you can also see that they have 4 on top and 5 on bottom. But my number total did not change. I'm still going to get the same whole or the same total. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. And 1 more is 9. Okay. And 4 plus 5 equals 9. Good. So there are 9 pets in all. Number 2 says, Mateo has 3 blocks and he finds 2 more blocks. How many blocks does Mateo have in all? Remember, you can do 2 plus 2 plus 1 more, because 2 and 3 are neighbor numbers, or you can do 3 plus 3 and take away 1 because they are neighbor numbers, and you will get the same total at the end, okay? Mateo has 3 blocks. He finds 2 more. So he has 3 here, and he has 2 more here. So I could do 3 plus, here it says 3 plus 3 minus, so that means that we would have another block right here, right? So there's my block, 3 plus 3, and then take away 1 block, right? So we take away 1, and we still have a total of 5. If we did 3 plus 2, we have a total of 5. Let's move over to page 48. Taylor has 4 books. She gets 5 more books. How many books does Taylor have now? So I can choose 4 plus 4 plus 1. I'm going to make my plus again. Plus 1. Or I can choose, because 4 and 5 are neighbor numbers, I could do 5 plus 5 and take away 1, and I will still get the same total, right? So Taylor has 4 books. She gets 5 more. Here they drew 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my first add-end. Then they drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my second add-end. So I can see that 4 plus 4, what's our rhyme? 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. And one more is 9. My dog is coming over here to join us. And my daughter Isabella is joining us too. Can you guys say hi to Gabby the dog and Isabella? Gabby thinks she wants to be down. Hi, Gabbers. All right, we're going to keep on going. Okay. Taylor has 4 books and she has 5 more books. How many books does she have now? I can write down my addition double. 4 plus 4 plus 1 more. My numbers didn't change. I still have a total of 9. There are 9 books in all. Number 4 says 3 ants are on a rock and 3 ants join them. Ooh, those are the same. 1, 2, 3, and 3 more join, right? 3 plus 3 equals 6 kicks. Let's show our evidence by counting on, okay? So we have 3, count on, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 in all. Number 5, there are 8 fish. 4 are small, the rest are big. How many fish are big? Ooh, it looks like it's giving me the whole first. There are 8 fish. I don't have more than 8 fish. There are 8 fish total. 4 of them are small. The rest are big. There are 8. So in this story prompt, they try to trick us, but because we know better, we know that there is 8 as our whole, or the total. So I'm going to draw 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 fish. 4 of them are small. I don't have to make them small. I can just put a box around them and say that these are my small. Hey, that's supposed to be an S for small. 4 of them are small, and the rest are big. Let's count on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, it looks like they did 4 and 4 more. These ones are my big ones, right? 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. I could also use the count on to add strategy. 4 plus what equals 8? Let's do this. 4, count on to the whole or the total. 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. Let's count backwards from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,